Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop autoplay in Telegram app. So whenever you are opening up the Telegram application and the specific media is continuously again and again downloading automatically and it is wasting lots of your amount of data or Wi-Fi, then in order to control this video is absolutely for you. So first of all, you have to open up Telegram application on your mobile phone. So after opening up the Telegram application on your mobile phone, simply tap on the top left corner of three horizontal lines. So after tapping on these three horizontal lines, just simply hit the third last option, which is settings. So after opening up the settings of your Telegram application, just scroll down until you're able to find the option which is data and storage. Just simply hit this option. So after hitting the data and storage, you will be able to see the option which is automatic media downloads. So under these options, all of the options are enabled. So what you have to do is just simply disable all of these options. Just simply toggle off all of these options, which is when using mobile data. Just simply turn off this option, and when connected to Wi-Fi, just simply toggle off this option. And the third option, which is when roaming, just simply toggle off this option, and you're good to go. So in this way, whenever a media will be arrived to you, you can just simply manually download any of the media, and autoplay will be disabled in this way. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.